Number 6. How does the hardness of a mineral affect its use in industries? So we're given mineral hardness, required, effect on industrial use, solution. Hard minerals like corundum are used for abrasive and cutting tools, while soft minerals have limited structural use. Final answer: hardness determines suitability for tools, abrasive, and construction materials. Number 7. Describe how volcanic rocks are used in road construction and building materials. So we're given volcanic rocks, required, industrial uses, solution. Rocks like basalt and andesites are used as road aggregates, concrete, and paving stones. Final answer: volcanic rocks are used for roads, concrete, and paving. Number 8. Explain why sand and gravel are considered important earth materials for human activities. Given sand and gravel, required, importance, solution, used in construction materials for concrete and roads, drainage and land reclamation. Final answer: sand and gravel are essential for construction and infrastructure projects. Number 9. How do soil nutrients influence crop growth and agricultural activity? So we're given soil nutrients, required, effect on agriculture, solutions. Nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium support plant growth, improve yield, and maintain soil fertility. Final answer: soil nutrients are crucial for healthy crops and high productivity. Number 10. Describe 2 ways clay is used in local industries. Given clay, required, industrial uses, solution, pottery and ceramics, bricks and tiles. Final answer: clay is used in pottery or ceramics and construction materials. Number 11. Explain the significance of gold and copper mining for the Philippine economy. Given gold and copper mining, required, economic importance, solution. Mining provides employment, export revenue, and supports industrial development. Final answer: gold and copper mining contribute to income, jobs, and industrial growth. Number 12. How do earth materials influence the location of industries in the Philippines? Given earth material distribution, required influence on industrial location, solution. Industries cluster near mineral deposits, quarries, and fertile soils to reduce transportation costs and ensure resource availability. Final answer. Earth materials determine the strategic location of industries for efficiency. Number 13. Describe the process of how marble is extracted and used in construction. Given marble required extraction and use. Solution extracted via quarrying, then cut, polished, and used in flooring, countertops, and decorative structures. Final answer. Marble is quarried, processed, and used for decorative and structural construction. Number 14. Explain the role of peat and organic soils in supporting agriculture and energy production. Given peat or organic soils, required rows, solution, fertile for crop cultivation, can be dried for biofuel or energy production. Final answer. Peat supports agriculture and can be an alternative energy energy source. Number 15. Why is the texture of soil important for farming and gardening? So given soil texture, required importance, solution, determines water retention, drainage, aeration, and root growth. Final answer. Soil texture affects crop health and productivity. Number 16. Describe how volcanic ash can improve soil fertility. So we are given volcanic ash required fertility effect. Solution rich in minerals like potassium, phosphorus, calcium, improving soil nutrients and crop yield. Final answer. Volcanic ash enriches soils and boosts fertility. Number 17. Identify two local areas in the Philippines known for mineral resources and their associated products. So given mineral-rich areas, required areas and products. So solution, in Baguio, we have gold and copper. Surigao, we have nickel, and chromite. Final answer, Baguio for gold or copper, and then Surigao for nickel or chromite. Number 18. Explain how rocks and minerals are used to produce everyday products like cement, tiles, or glass. Given, rocks and minerals required industrial use. So solution, limestone for cement, silica sand for glass, clay for tiles or bricks. Final answer, rocks or minerals are raw materials for cement, tiles, and glass. Number 19. How does the availability of earth materials affect local construction and infrastructure development? Given, local earth materials required impact on construction. Solution, readily available materials reduce costs, speed construction, and influence infrastructure location. Final answer, availability of earth materials supports efficient and cost-effective construction. Number 20. Discuss the environmental considerations when harnessing earth materials for human activities. So we're given earth material extraction required, environmental considerations. Solution, consider deforestation, soil erosion, water pollution, habitat loss, and implement sustainable mining and quarrying practices. Final answer, extraction must balance resource use with environmental protection to avoid ecological damage. MCQ for our Quarter 4 Earth and Space Science Lesson 5. Earth materials, properties, local availability, and their role in human activities and industries. Number 1. Which of the following correctly classify rocks by their formation? Letter A, igneous, formed from cooling lava. Sedimentary, formed from deposited sediments. Metamorphic, formed from heat, pressure. Letter B, igneous, formed from sediment deposition. Sedimentary, formed from magma. Metamorphic, formed from weathering. Letter C, igneous, formed from fossils. Sedimentary, formed from lava. Metamorphic, formed from rainfall. Letter D, igneous, formed from pressure. Sedimentary, formed from heat. Metamorphic, formed from sediments.